So now that we got the fuel system figured out, we did the tank and everything in our last video, we're gonna work on the brakes. These are cable brakes, not hydraulic brakes. And so I found a kit that actually replaced all the cables, including the speedo and the clutch cable, for like $30-something, $36. So we're gonna go ahead and replace all of that now because these brakes were stuck. And I'll go ahead and show you that. So you can see right there where the brake cable is stuck. You can see we try to move it and it won't move at all. So it's pretty rough. So we sprayed it with some WD-40. I'm gonna try to move that now. So we're gonna detach it right here at the brake lever for the mechanical brakes to get some of the pressure off, and then try to get the top off right now. So we were able to break this loose, the piece on the bottom, and are realizing the cable itself is completely rusted on the inside of the tube. So we just had to cut it right here to be able to get that free. And we're just gonna take this off now and take the whole thing out. So we got the new cable on, and as you can see right here, it doesn't fit because it's one of those cheap, I think I got it from like Indonesia for $36. So, but it does work, so it stops now, or the front wheel stops. So I'm gonna hold off putting everything else on just because they all work, except for I'm not aware of the speedometer yet, but we'll find out. But clutch and throttle work, so we'll just go from there.